So let's see what type of motor is inside. So it's a round motor. Okay. Okay, I haven't seen such a motor before. This is different. Okay, 7,000 RPM. 3 volts. Okay. And we can check the RPM. Wait a moment. Yo, hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kemei hair clipper and a trimmer. It's a combo with a model number KM1827. So the box looks like this, very plain. Okay, and the specs. So one of them got a 2500 milliamp battery and the other one 2000 milliamp battery. So metal body hair clipper. So in here, one of them got 6500 RPM. I guess the trimmer. So the clipper got 6800 RPM. So these are the accessories. Okay. Got LCD display. And 3 hours charging time, 180 minutes and 240 minutes operating time. Okay. Here. Okay, now let's open it. Open the sleeves. So this is not a brushless motor. I unboxed the brushless motor type. So they are almost the same, but the other one is brushless and these are the brushed ones. And these are a little bit cheaper. So I'm going to leave a link on the description below in case if maybe you want to buy this. So It's a little bit heavy because it's metal. Okay, and inside you got a manual. Oil is missing as usual. So you got the guide combs of the hair trimmer, little brush, and you got just only one cable. And it's not a USB Type-C or micro USB. Here are the guide combs. So it's not a good one. So I don't really like these ones, but it's okay for home use. So from the guide here, you can see. So So this is the hair trimmer. Got LCD display here. In the back, 1827. Okay. So sound check. Okay. Sound check. So sound check. RPM test. So the lever, the blade, the power button, everything exact the same like the brushless one. So I'm gonna put the brushless one here. It's really exact the same, except this one is a brushed one. And you can also take this one out. Exact the same. Okay. This one is also exact the same like the brushless one. So I'm gonna put the brushless one here. Everything the same, even the blade, they are the same. That's it for the unboxing of this hair clipper combo. And peace, man.